Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best desk chairs with wheels designed for those who value comfort and durability. The COLAMY Executive Office Chair. The COLAMY Executive Office Chair is making waves in the market for its blend of ergonomic design and stylish appeal. Whether you're working from home or outfitting your office, this chair promises not only comfort but also robust support. If you're in the market for a chair that combines style with functionality, the COLAMY Executive Office Chair is a top contender. It's perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their workspace with a reliable, comfortable seating option. To sum it up, the COLAMY Executive Office Chair is a standout choice for anyone seeking a blend of comfort, durability, and ergonomic design. Whether you're working long hours or gaming, this chair ensures you do so in style and comfort. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one. Until next time, stay comfortable and productive.